Greetings YouTube, I pulled this article here off of governmenttrack.us. Senate Bill, or S1968 Enemy Expatriation Act, the 112th Congress in 2011-2012, a bill to add engaging in or supporting hostilities against the United States to the list of acts for which United States nationals would lose their nationality. Ladies and gentlemen, there's already been a Supreme Court case, I can't quite recall it right off the top of my head, but I can tell you what the circumstances were, in which the Supreme Court of the United States has already thrown out legislative fiat that attempted to strip citizens who were not loyal to the United States of their citizenship, thereby depriving them of all constitutional protections. It was a gentleman that was engaged in some sort of a business opportunity over in the Philippines, in which he had sided against the United States. The United States had in effect passed a law before this that would strip in such cases the individual of their citizenship. Well, he ended up being stripped of his citizenship and detained. Well, he was able to somehow provide enough revenue to generate a legal appeal, and it went and was fought all the way up to the United States Supreme Court, and the United States Supreme Court lashed the legislature and in effect said, "You're nuts. You have absolutely no legal right under anything constitutional to strip people of their citizenship. You cannot, you will not, and we void that act." Well, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like Congress is taking number 2, and I am not a betting man, but I will be willing to bet a lot that the stacked deck United States Kangaroo Court Supreme Court will uphold this under some sort of doctrine of necessity as constitutional. There's a matching bill in the House that is basically, in effect, the same thing. Well, why would they want to do this? Well, the NDAA allows for the indefinite detention of people that are so much as, or I should say, so little as suspected of engaging in terrorism or giving substantial assistance to terrorists. Of course, the term substantial is not legally defined, and substantial might simply be as small as doing a blog post in which you said Osama bin Laden was not killed this last May by the Navy SEAL team. He's been dead for a number of years, and here's the news media outlets. Well, that might be giving substantial support to terrorist Al-Qaeda. And therefore, well, you get to take a trip to Camp Theomar or Club Gitmo. In any event, there was also language in the NDAA that precluded United States citizens from being indefinitely detained. Well, if you look at it in two different parts, it says, okay, well, I guess the United States citizens might be safe under the provisions of this bill. Well, when you piece it with this one, and you see that the United States citizens are stripped of their citizenship, well, there goes that preclusion. And now, oh, look, they can be indefinitely detained without charges. They have no legal challenge, no legal rights, no legal immunities, no legal privileges. They can be tortured, they can be killed, they can be held indefinitely. They can have their human rights violated in direct violation of Article 6, Section 2 of the United States Constitution, pursuant to the United States entering into and ratifying the Treaty on the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In any event, ladies and gentlemen, if there is any question of the tyranny that the United States has descended in, let these two pieces of legislation combined with the National Defense Authorization Act be proof positive. Thank you.